I'm Ken. I'm from Subang. I currently work as an interior designer, and I am taking the Sigma School course, the online curriculum coding to upskill and perhaps transition into the tech industry. So actually, I've always been interested in coding, but like I've been interested in tech, but I never really had like a catalyst to actually like get me to dive into it. Yeah. So because in my job I'm like under the technical team, so my job requires me to use a lot of software. So the more I learn about the software, like the software that I use is AutoCAD. So like I learned that you can actually write scripts, and you can make your tasks easier, automate certain tasks and stuff. So that kind of like led me to exploring more into tech. Yeah, then I stumbled upon Sigma School. Yeah. So currently my end goal is, well, number one, I want to complete my course. And after that, yes, I would actually like to transition into the tech field. Like currently, I would actually prefer something more back-end or more like data related, or maybe like software engineering. Yeah. So actually, like after my SPM, I took accounting as an additional subject. I was like, okay, I'm good at accounting. I also like interior design, but accounting seems like quite a mundane job. However, I go to design, but definitely I do excel in like numbers or anything that requires logic. So that's why I also kind of like coding. I think the main challenges for me would be like whenever there's like new methods, or like the exercise asks me to use a certain method that hasn't been taught before. So then I will have to go and like learn it myself. And I mean, at first it will be like very confusing for me, but the more I read like the documentation, the more I understand it. Yeah. The main thing is like the confusion at first, but then once I get it, it's like the satisfaction. So far, it's pretty good. It actually gets me excited to do the exercises, and I find the time to do it. Yeah. And then another thing I like is that usually you guys have, every now and then you guys have like invitations to join. Like for example, the last one I went for was the final project presentation. I would say the teachers, like the instructors, whenever I watch the recordings, I think it's very engaging. I would say the lessons. Yeah.